All right. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. To all my hybrid scientists out there, I hope you're having a good day and I hope your week is off to a good start. This week, we are continuing with our journey through space and time, and we will be embarking on Space Lesson 3. So, where have we been? Well, we started out by exploring gravity in week 1 and found out that gravity is kind of a big deal. And we even looked in the second week, as we looked at the size and scale of the universe, we learned that gravity is pretty important in holding galaxies together and holding our solar system together. So it's all held together by gravity. This week, we are going to be looking at the sun, moon, and earth and exploring basically the idea of rotation versus revolution. So, a couple of our essential questions that we have this week that we're going to be talking about in class and then exploring through our different activities. One is, what is the difference between revolution and rotation? And you should be able to explain that to me by the end of class this week. But the other question that we're going to be exploring is, do other planets have the same year, the same time, or same days in a year as the Earth? So before you come to class this week, you're going to need, oops, that is a typo. You're going to need to go over to the teacher copy of our digital notebook, and you're going to need to copy over slides 26 through 29. Best to do that before you come to class. A lot of you guys have not been doing that before you come to class, and it just slows us down. So it would be really great if you would just take 5 minutes or less and copy over your slides. And if you do that, I will give you links bucks. Let's see, you get a participation grade for watching this video on Wednesday and turning that in on Wednesday. And you'll get links bucks for having your slides copied before you come to class. Okay, so what are we going to do in class? Well, we'll do science now. We will go through our notes on the Earth, Sun, and Moon and look at rotation versus revolution. And then there's an activity in Schoology called Happy Birthday Earthling. Gosh, this slide is just like all kinds of not updated. Man, Miss Johnson. Okay, so going into Schoology, after we do the Happy Birthday Earthling activity, you'll at least have time to start that in class. I don't know if you'll have time to finish it. It will kind of depend on how far we get. But after class and after you complete your Happy Birthday Earthling activity, you'll be ready for Space Quiz 1. Space Quiz 1 is open notebook. It is 2 tries, and your average score will be taken. That will be an 80% grade. So going over to the Schoology, this is what your week is going to look like. You're going to be in Unit 2 Space. Our folder for the week is 11-4, Space Lesson 3. When you click into here, you will have the teacher copy of the notebook. You should also have that bookmarked. But if you don't, it's there for you. If you are absent or if you are distance learning, then in this folder for Earth, Moon, and Sun lesson, there is a Pear Deck that will get you caught up. If you are a hybrid student attending in person, we will do this together in class. But if you happen to be distance learning or if you happen to be absent for some reason, you can use this link and get the notes and basically get all the content that you're missing. Then this is our document for Happy Birthday Earthling. There will be instructions given in class. There is also an instructional video here as well. And then here is your quiz. This is 10 questions, multiple choice. And like I said, you get to use your notebook 2 tries, and I'll take your average score. All right. So I think that is pretty much the overview for the week. I do have office hours Wednesday, hopefully when you are viewing this. So if you have any questions or need any assistance, I'm available on Zoom from 10 to 10:45, and I would be happy to assist you with any questions that you have. So, and then I guess I need to think about, the question. So for this week, something that I would like you to tell me in the Google Doc that you'll be submitting with this video. I've been thinking about how we're in November and this is Thanksgiving. And I love Thanksgiving, not just for all the good food, but I really do appreciate taking some time to really intentionally think about gratitude and what I'm grateful for. And I have been kind of learning a little bit about gratitude journaling and kind of trying to get that started. That's something that I would like to get started this year. So, my question for you guys this week to answer in the Google Doc is, do you gratitude journal? And if so, what's that been like for you? And whether you gratitude journal or not, um, tell me something that you're grateful for. This could be something big, this could be something small. But I would be curious to know, as you look over the last week, what are you grateful for? And tell me all about it. And I'm looking forward to reading it. All right. So that's it for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in class. Bye.